I can't believe you've earned a woman's scorn, Goku.
I honestly don't remember doing it, though.
You've always been a bit out there. Even if you forgot, she clearly remembers enough for the both of you.
Hey, are you absolutely sure you don't know
I'm
that?
telling you, I don't have a...
Maybe you just forgot her. If so, you better jog your memory quick.
You did it, Tenshinhan!
This is just the result of all the training I did to beat you. In the end, the Crane School's teachings were wrong. Our time will come, Goku.
What's the matter? Did you finally remember who I am?
Still don't have a clue. Who are you, anyway?
I'm not saying a word. I have nothing to say to you.
That girl I'm gonna fight is always angry. What's her problem, anyway?
I have nothing to say to you.
Next up is the second match. Are you ready? Very well. Then the second match...
Now then, the second match is about to begin!
It seems like you're always angry about something. Why is that?
Seeing you makes me angry.
Huh?
Both fighters are heading to the ring! It's the second match! Next in the ring is none other than Goku, who nearly won the last tournament! He's facing a mystery! She's a force to be reckoned with, and is choosing to withhold her name! She requested that we refer to her as anonymous throughout this match, and any fighter's wish is my command!
I don't understand at all. I don't know you, so you must be mistaking me for someone else.
Don't be so stupid. You are Goku, aren't you?
Well, yeah, I am. But I'm seriously drawing a total blank about you.
You jerk! I've heard enough!
So, can we start the match? Is that okay? It's time! Here we go! Let the match begin!
Hey! Have we met before or something?
Of course!
You sure? But when?
Are you dead? Or is it even worse than I imagined? Did I mean that well to you? I suppose I'm not all you forgot. Did you also forget the promise you made?
Huh? promise? Did I promise you something? I'm sorry. What could it have been?
Something important. You promised to make me your bride.
Huh? What? His bride?
Seems like something even you'd remember.
Krillin, can you help me out here? What's a bride?
A bride is, well, roughly translated, it means your life is over, buddy!
If someone's your bride, it means you're gonna marry them. Goku, it means you're spending the rest of your life together.
The rest of my life? You and me? Was I asleep when I said that? How can I marry you when I don't even know your name?
You want my name? I'll only tell you if you beat me.
Really? Perfect. If we're going to be spending the rest of our lives together, it might be a good idea if I knew what to call you.
Ha! Don't be so sure you'll win.
Okay. Are you ready?
Hurry it up, I'm getting bored.
Here. My mistake. Guess I put too much into that one.
Oh, I am... Right, I see. That means that Goku wins! So, what just happened? He clearly didn't hit her.
That's because he didn't have to. Instead, he threw his fist at an incredible speed. The force of it must have created a shockwave. That's what threw Miss Anonymous out of the ring.
Oh!
Hey, give it a second. You'll be all right.
Just incredible! I hardly thought it was possible, but you're even stronger than I remember!
Well, I won the match. Will you tell me your name now?
You mean you still don't know? I am the Ox King's daughter, Chichi.
Chichi?
Oh, it's her!
Chichi? My bride?
When we get a little older, will you come and take me as your bride?
Huh? Take a what?
Your bride, silly! Don't you want a bride?
I don't really know what you're talking about, but if you say so, then sure.
Dad! I remember now! I did! Back when we were kids, I told you I wanted a bride.
I know, I was there.
Come to think of it, back then I thought a bride meant something to eat. Guess not. Oh well. A promise is a promise. So, wanna get married?
Yes!
She said yes! Amazing! Ladies and gentlemen, please, 3 cheers for the Lovebirds!
Why are you grabbing me? I can't walk with you clinging to me.
Your shyness is adorable.
Our young hero has found himself a blushing bride. The World Tournament continued on amidst heavy fanfare, oblivious to the confusion of Goku's friends. Krillin would enter the ring in the 3rd match, and his opponent was none other than Junior, the reincarnation of King Piccolo.
You trash.
Krillin put up a valiant effort, using the skills he honed through intense training. But the heroic fighter was simply outclassed by Junior, who defeated him with a devastating counter.
Oh man, that's it for me.
In the 4th match, Yamcha took on a seemingly meek opponent, the man called Hero.
Nice to meet ya.
Victory seemed all but assured until Hero unleashed his hidden strength, leaving Yamcha in the dust. It's no wonder that Hero was able to best Yamcha. for in reality, he was actually Kami in disguise.
Hero. Hero. A hero is like a guardian, right? And the guardian of Earth is Kami.
In the face of Kami's overwhelming might, Yamcha went all out, but even the full extent of his power wasn't enough to pull out a win. And with that, the 4 semi-finalists had been decided. Goku, Tenshinhan, Junior, and Hero. Which of these brave fighters will take home the championship? The matches are heating up to an exciting climax. Who will be our next World Tournament champion?
Right! All of those intense bouts have whittled our contestants down to the final 4, so we're heading full tilt straight into the semifinals! The first match of the semifinals is Tenshinhan versus Goku! In the last tournament, Tien barely managed to win against this opponent in a brawl for the ages! What does fate have in store this time around?
It's time.
All right, let's do this!
You can do it, Goku!
Yeah!
You can do it, Goku!
That junior character was...
Hey, you've gotten a lot stronger too!
Wish I could say I was shocked about losing.
I lost.
Don't sweat it.
Huh? Don't tell me you know.
You'll just have to wait and see.
It's finally time. There's nothing left to say. We'll let her...
I can hardly contain my excitement.
I'm pretty excited for this one myself. Let's make it one to remember.
Yep.
Good. Looks like you're ready.
Ooh, someone's there. Try this! Out of my way! Try this! Woo! I said someone strong! I found a good one! Woo! I sense someone strong! Woo! I sense someone strong! I found a good one! I found a good one! Woo! All right. Oh, get a load of that!
You can do it, Goku!
Tien's strength is something else. Good thing I'm ready for a throwdown. I didn't think Kami would do something like join the World Tournament. Woo! I sense someone strong! Woo! I sense someone strong! Good job, Flying Nimbus! Ooh, this looks tasty! I found a good one! Ooh, someone's there! Try this! Take this! Found a good one! Yeah!
Welcome! Come on back now.
Glad to see you. Thanks for your business.
Welcome. Thanks so much. Welcome. Thanks so much.
It's finally time. I'm pretty excited for this.
Yep.
I lost.
Don't.
Huh?
You'll just have to wait and see.
That Junior...
Hey, you've...
Wish I could say I was shocked about losing.
You can do it, Goku!
The first match of the semifinals is up next. Very well. In that case...
It looks like everybody's ready. Will our two contestants please enter the ring?
You plan to send me flying from the get-go, huh?
You know it. All of my training wasn't just for show. You'll see.
Here we go! It's time for the World Tournament Semifinals! First match! Let the match begin!
This has been a long time coming. I may have won the last World Tournament, but people know that was just luck. This time will be different. My skill alone will prove my superiority.
Pretty stubborn, Tien. Luck goes hand in hand with skill, you know. Still, I've been looking forward to squaring off with you. I want to know how much stronger we both got since our last match.
I couldn't have said it better myself. No holding back.
3 years ago, Tien Shinhan and Goku faced off in the World Tournament Finals.
Well, your skills are sharper than a knife these days. You're not the only one. I underwent brutal training, day in and day out. I swear on my pride, I will not lose this fight!
Goku is laying on the pain. Tien can't fight back.
He's like
And unleashes an unbelievable barrage. Goku slips past another. Tien strikes. Goku burns. Will Tien get through that defense? Goku easily dodges Tien's attacks. Machine gun. Tien blows Goku. Unleashed a brilliant flash of light and blinds the enemy! Goku goes on the defense! What are Tien's answers here? Goku's charging up a tremendous amount of energy!
Incredible. You make it seem like our speed difference doesn't even exist. Even so, I've got my eye on you. You won't get away.
This is a match for the history books! I can hardly breathe!
Try to stop this!
Flying kick hits Goku! Out of my way! Tien drops a cutting combo on his opponent! What a show of skill from Goku!
Incredible. You've hardly broken a sweat despite flying around the arena.
Gotcha!
I knew full well that this match would not be decided quickly. It's fine by me. A fight against you wouldn't be any fun at all.
Whatever! How strong do they plan on getting anyway? Which one's walking out of here a winner?
Now!
What in the world is happening? Something painful, that's for sure! Go to Ray! What a combo! Tien is taking the beating of a lifetime! Incredible show of energy from Goku! The very air around him is vibrating!
Now I'm all warmed up.
Well done. I'm amazed by your level of skill. You were already near perfection the last time we fought 3 years ago. Now even that word seems inadequate to describe you.
Thanks, but save the praise for yourself. I can tell you've been training hard.
So I have. I came here to win.
Wow! Just wow! This is an all-out brawl! I can hardly catch my breath over here!
Woo! Just a minute. Before I forget, I need to shed some clothes.
Huh? Ah, overheated. Do what you must.
Well, it, seems the heat is taking a toll. Goku is removing some clothing. This is a first, but who are we to question elite warriors?
There.
Hmm? Goku, do you mind if I take a look at your shirt?
Huh? Oh, sure.
What the? Goku, this thing weighs a ton. You've been wearing this the whole tournament?
Of course! It was Kami's idea. Part of my training.
Your wristbands? And your boots as well?
Yep. Master Roshi made me wear a turtle shell when I trained with him. I figure this is pretty much the same idea. Couldn't hurt, right?
You do know you're in the middle of a match, right? Fine, I'll clean this up.
Thank you, Krillin. You're a big help. I owe you one.
Oh, what the heck? These weigh a ton. How in the world can you fight like that?
Practice. My feet have never felt so sore. Each boot weighs like 20 kilos.
Goku, that's over 100 kilos.
Huh? Wow! It's unbelievable, folks! Seems Goku has been fighting in weighted clothing this whole time! To think he was so agile in spite of it! Just wow! I'm speechless, folks!
I feel as light as a feather. Sorry about that.
Well. It seems you're finally taking this seriously. About time. But you should know, I still haven't even shown you my best technique yet.
Your best technique? And what's that?
If 3 eyes will not win this fight, then I'll just have to use 12!
12 eyes?
Multi-form attack!
Whoa! Whoa! What is happening? Tenshinhan is split into 4 Tenshinhans!
What the heck? Those aren't after images. You're all real.
Right you are.
This is unprecedented! 4 against 1! So what now? Let's see how Goku gets out of this predicament!
Wow, that's some move. You've gotten stronger since the last tournament. Now I'm excited. But don't think this means you're gonna win.
Sorry, Goku. But this tournament is going to be mine!
Sorry to disappoint you. It's a great technique, sure, but It's not enough to beat me.
It's all come down to this moment. Only one can win. Let's settle this once and for all.
Let's.
No one can break through my multi-form attack. No hard feelings, but I'm ending this right now. Damn it! He's improved his speed. If you thought I needed more of you, I'll just have to beat you all with speed. You asked for it. This just keeps getting better and better.
Goku's taking on speed and light! The hot combat continues! The might of our former champion!
Four TNs! They're not just after images.
They're both powerhouses!
That's a really impressive technique you've got, Goku.
Figuring out how to pull this off wasn't easy. My eyes sees everything.
I trained an awful lot, you know. Something like that isn't enough to rattle. Glad to hear it.
And I won't back down either.
Amazing feats are putting a hurt on Goku! Team attack by TN!
I'll admit, you surprised me at first. But that technique won't work on me anymore.
How is this possible?
Unbelievable! He's outnumbered against 4 TNs, yet Goku has managed to get the upper hand in this incredible match!
Phew! You sure made this a fun match. But it's about time I wrap this up. Tenshinhan, I'm gonna win with this next attack.
You'll win, will you? I think not.
I already figured out the weak point in your technique.
What weak point?
You'll regret splitting into 4.
It can't be.
Well, my word!
I win! Don't get up on my account. Your skills are incredible, and that's an impressive technique. But I don't think it works in a fight like this. Not only were you split into 4ths, but so were your strengths.
I'm badly wounded, but it's only my pride. Well, congrats. You won beyond a shadow of a doubt.
Okay, it's official! Tenshinhan loses the round by ring out! This match is over! Goku will now move on to the championship round!
Yet again, our Goku manages to pull off the impossible. I've watched him grow strong over the years, but what makes him so special is his indomitable spirit. Goku is unbreakable.
I knew you could do it, Goku. You were simply terrific. I am so impressed. You've become such an amazing martial artist.
Thanks, Chichi.
Good fight.
Yeah, he's something else. In truth, I barely kept up with him. He's the strongest opponent I've ever faced.
Welp, guess it's my turn.
Hey, Chichi, could you wait outside for a minute?
What? Oh, sure.
I've got to talk to Kami.
What kind of training?
Oh, well, I did train at Kami's place.
Kami?
The next match is between Hero and Junior. Both of them are unimaginable.
Yeah, I can't stop thinking about it either.
That match against Tien was out of this world. Whether it's Junior or Hero, don't you dare lose. You hear me?
Goku, that was my defeat, no doubt about it. I feel like
You're amazing yourself, with all those new techniques you whipped out.
I'll keep on honing myself, and next time, I'll make you show me your real strength. What kind of training did you get up to anyway?
This looks tasty. I found a good one. Time to fly. Ooh, someone's there. someone's there. Ooh, someone's there. Ooh, someone's there. Out of my way.
Die already!
The match should begin any minute, so do whatever you need to do now.
Hey, Kami.
Hello, Goku.
I didn't recognize you at first, with that new look and all.
I've simply borrowed a human's body for the time being.
You've come to beat Piccolo, haven't you? Why go out of your way for that?
Goku, I'm pretty sure Mr. Popo has explained the connection between Piccolo and myself, yes? The two of us are bound together. Originally, we were a single entity. And I'm sure you also know that the death of Piccolo shall result in my demise as well. As such, I doubt you have what it takes to defeat him.
Then I'll defeat him without killing him. There's gotta be a way.
This opponent is not one you can best with half-hearted resolve. I'm sure you know as much. I was the one who planted these seeds in the first place. It is time I reap what I've sown.
But, Kami...
Having left your training to Mr. Popo, I trust your abilities are not lacking by any measure. Even so, I am the only one who can stop Piccolo as he is now.
Don't tell me you're planning on going down with him.
Even deities treasure their lives. Besides, suicide is unbefitting for a guardian. Do not worry. I have learned of a viable solution. From a human, no less. Well then, off to battle I go.
All right! This second semifinal match will determine the second contender to advance to the finals. I'm sure we can expect another rip-roaring match between our contestants. Give a warm welcome to this pair of unknown newcomers with masterful martial arts moves. Junior and Hero, take the stage!
Should have just run with your tail between your legs.
I'm afraid that is out of the question.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to continue our semifinals. Let the match begin!
I'll finish this quickly. Not to be rude, but I came here for Goku, not you.
You plan to eliminate Goku, and with him out of the way, to turn your sights to world domination. Am I right, Piccolo?
How did you... The only one here who should know my true identity is Goku. Yes, I understand now. I know who you are. You're only borrowing that body. What do you think you're doing here, Kami?
You already should know the answer to that, but you always were a little slow. My presence should come as no surprise.
You wouldn't dare to harm me, as our fates are entwined.
I will stop you one way or another.
They're speaking another language! Fascinating! This may be a language I've never heard before, but the meaning is clear. These two are out for blood!
I can see right through your bluff. You're helpless to stop me. We're the same being, you and I. Killing me is no different from killing yourself.
I am aware, and so be it.
You're insane! You take your own life?
Your concern is touching. The humans taught me something. A way to rid the world of your presence without doing harm to myself. Prepare yourself.
No, not that!
Evil containment wave! Wave!
What goes around comes around!
What? You tricked me, but only I will pay for my mistake. Now, borrowed form, may the ties that bind us dissolve at once!
Goku, it's up to you now. No matter what, you must destroy him! Believing that same tired technique would work on me again was your greatest mistake. I've cast aside any and all weaknesses.
He's down! Hero appears to be unconscious!
That man lying on the ground is a mere human. Noticing it now won't help anything.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5!
Kami, he got sucked into that tiny bottle.
9 and 10! He's down for the count! Junior has won through mysterious means! That means he's moving on to the finals!
Move it!
Hey, hand over that bottle right now.
Nice try. That windbag is sealed away nice and neat. So, what will you do? You can't get that bottle back without killing me. But if you do, you'll be taking that blowhard down with me. You're out of luck.
Excuse me, Hero, are you alright?
Ow, ow, ow! Hmm?
Oh, good, you're awake!
Huh? What? Where am I exactly? This looks like the World Tournament arena.
Huh? Well, yes, it is. You must have banged your head pretty hard.
That's weird. How did I end up here? From now on, it's just coffee and water for me. Oh, hi, pleasure to meet you.
Weird. He's like a totally different person.
Huh? Say, where'd Master Roshi get off to?
Oh, how strange. He was here a second ago.
Don't worry about him. He probably snuck off to the bathroom or to try and score a date.
That monster! How could he do that to Kami?
Goku, tell us what's going on. There's clearly history between you two. I gather from his bad looks and attitude that he's from the Demon Clan, but much stronger.
You're right about that. Go on, Goku. Tell us.
Oh, Master Roshi!
All right. Guess there's no point in hiding it now. Junior is King Piccolo.
What? You gotta be kidding! I thought you destroyed Piccolo!
Yeah, I beat him. But somehow, Piccolo left an egg behind before he died. He put everything he had into that egg. That's why the one who hatched from it is as close to the original as you can get.
But something came out of Hero because of that evil containment wave. We all saw it.
That's right. Someone like Piccolo was sucked out of Hero's body and into that bottle.
It wasn't Piccolo, though. In fact, he was only borrowing that body to fight Piccolo. It was Kami.
Kami?
You see, Kami and Piccolo were originally one person. The evil heart that Kami abandoned to become Earth's guardian took shape as Piccolo. That's why killing one will also kill the other.
Ah, it all makes sense now. The evil containment wave is perfect for getting rid of an enemy without killing him.
That technique trapped Kami in a bottle, but we can get him back, right?
Sure, if we can open the bottle.
But how do we do that? He swallowed the dang thing. Besides, he's way too strong.
You're right about that. I hate to say it, but if Kami lost to him, the rest of us combined don't stand a chance.
If there's even a glimmer of hope, it's gotta be you, Goku.
Sorry, my boy. Now that the evil containment wave's been neutralized, you're our last hope.
Don't sweat it. I'll find a way.
Don't sweat it, he says. You got some sort of plan?
Nope, but there's still hope, and that's all I need.
Seriously?
Yep. Now all there is to do is pass the time until the finals.
Hey, Goku! Wait up!
Is that confidence or pure obstinance?
Who could say?
Still, he's always been this way when you think about it. Might be worth taking him at face value.
True.
Welcome. Thanks so much.
Why, you?
Die already! Die already!
You better not lose against a guy like that.
Well, I wasn't planning on it.
Then plan on winning. I believe in you.
So that hero guy was Kami all along? But then Junior showed up and beat him.
Thank you. I promised to do my best.
So he was Piccolo's reincarnation all along. You got this, Goku!
Yeah!
Now you're up against King Piccolo himself. This tournament has been anything but order.
We'll see how it goes when the match begins. I'll make it...
All we can do is hope that's enough. We're counting on you, Goku.
The final bout is up next. Are you ready to begin? Very well.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's the moment you've all been waiting for! The final match of the World Tournament! Will the title of the world's greatest belong to our returning hero Goku or to the mysterious Junior? Fighters, take your places!
Yep, time to go!
You can do it, Goku!
You better not die. I don't want to be a widow before I'm even married.
No need to say goodbye to your little friends. Because after I finish killing you, they'll be right behind you.
I won't let that happen.
All right! Who will be the one to claim the grand prize of this, the 23rd World Tournament?
Have you made your peace?
Make peace with what?
What else? Your death!
It's time! The final match of the tournament begins!
Let's be clear. My power far exceeds that of the person you faced 3 years ago.
Oh, yeah? That makes cool.
Finally here, the final match of the 23rd World Tournament! But which of them will take the championship? The entire world is on the edge of their seat!
Don't think this is everything I've got. I'll take my time and make you beg for mercy.
It's time for us to stop messing around. Don't you think so?
So, prepare to witness something that'll make your blood run cold.
A devastating assault! Energy from Goku! The arrow reactive is vibrating! Ladies and gentlemen, this match is a sight to behold! The top two contenders in the world are trading blows!
Big mistake! You just sealed the fate of your entire planet! Time for you to die!
could he have survived? That's, like, impossible!
You have failed. For a fleeting moment, I felt fear. You will pay for that.
Wow! Goku has unleashed a devastating attack! Ha! Ladies and gents, by hook or by crook, Junior is still standing! Oh dear, he does not look happy.
Hey, that creep! He looks like King Piccolo!
Did you say Piccolo?
Oh, now that you mention it.
Those horns, he looks mean.
And ugly, too.
Silence, mere mortals! I am the reincarnated King Piccolo! Let it be known that once I've disposed of Goku, I will be king once more, and this world shall witness true terror! King Piccolo's dark reign is nigh!
Let's go! This tournament has taken quite a turn! It seems Junior is, in fact, Demon King Piccolo!
What a pro.
Get out of here, all of you! I won't do this if I know you're in danger!
Ah, right. Good luck.
Break time's over. No more distractions.
Sorry to disappoint, but this world isn't yours and never will be!
Let's just see if you're still that confident after you've seen my latest technique. From up here, you look just like the rodent you are.
Wow, amazing!
Now die! You have no chance of winning. I'll squash you like a tiny insect.
Sheesh! He's still so fast, even with the added bulk. I wouldn't be so sure. Don't get ahead of yourself. It's not over till it's over.
You're quite the sore loser.
Goku takes the brunt of Junior's unrelenting attack! Amazing! Goku faces the massive Junior with unending the fear! Junior jumps and heads straight Junior fires some kind of mouth laser at Goku! Talk about unexpected weapons! Junior unleashes an incredible attack with a wave of his hand! Goku is pushed back! Giant jump from Junior target! And then violent strike for Goku! He's going all out against this giant Junior!
I figured that huge body would make for an easier race. So much for that attack. Think of something else.
A war cry from Goku! His spirit is behind the Goku takes the brunt of Junior's unrelenting attack!
You're nothing.
Junior jumps and heads straight for Goku! Junior fires a beam I told you your size didn't matter. You still won't win. You see, all it really does is make you a bigger target.
Bigger target? I'll show you a bigger target!
Huh? Oh! You're not done with your growth spurt, are you?
Watch this!
Whoa!
This is insane! He's as big as a volcano! And he's about to erupt!
Just surrender!
Ha! Not a chance! Tenshinhan, take this!
This is...
Open it, now! Yeah!
What's this? Oh, I see. So my evil containment wave was reversed.
You're Kami, right? It's nice to meet you. Picked an odd place to nap, but Goku rescued you.
Goku did?
How dare you!
That's better. Feeling small, are we? Better be careful. Getting angry is bad for your health.
You will perish! But pathetic! Do you really think you stand a chance against my power? The great Demon King will make you rue this day!
This feeling... I've never felt so much power gathered in one place before!
So much power! I can't believe my eyes!
Run away! No! Move it! Get as far away as you possibly can!
I'm not leaving without you, Goku!
Just go! I've got this!
Goku, listen! You cannot stay here! You must come with us!
No! It's too late! There's no time left for everyone to escape!
Try beam! Everyone, get in, hurry! It's our only hope! Let's go! Goku! You gotta get out of there! Flee, Goku, now!
Hey, move it! You're in danger, geezer! You'll die if you don't get in the hole. Now hurry up and move!
Die! Yes! I've won!
Goku!
What?
Surprised? You'll have to try a lot harder than that!
But how? You should be nothing but dust!
Me? Nah, I'm still here. You gave it your best shot, Piccolo, but it still wasn't enough to beat me! Now you're done for! My turn!
You survived the blast! You're a damn monster! Revenge!
Whoa! Try this! Using all of your energy for a full-powered blast was your last mistake! So what's your next move? I gotta hand it to you. Taking that attack head-on was a huge gamble, but it looks like it paid off for you in the end. Wait.
Unleash hell! Enough of these games! Revenge! I refuse to accept this, my new world of demons. Take this! Take this! I'll end you! Remember this!
Almost there! Just a bit more!
I will not lose you! Victory will be mine! You pathetic wretch! I won't let it end like this!
Yeah, well, you don't have a choice! Look how banged up you are!
Remember this! I'll end you! What the? What are you doing?
Watch this!
waiting for? Count it! Huh? Oh, right! He's not moving. Do you think he's dead? Not a chance. He's much tougher than that. Right. Let the count begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Huh?
Hanging on to the bitter end. Nice try, but your little battle is over now. First your right leg, then the left. Before you die, I'd like to thank you. Seeing you writhing in pain brings me more joy than you'll ever know. Now that I've deprived you of the use of your body, I shall deprive you of your life.
We gotta do something! He's gonna kill Goku!
There is a way to save him. You must kill me, Tenshinhan. Junior will die along with me.
What? No, I can't.
You must hurry. I cannot take my own life. If you wish to save him, this is your only chance.
No! Don't do it! Please! Don't throw your life away! I can win! You gotta have faith in me!
No! You can't move! It's just not possible!
Finally, the moment I've been waiting for. For your crimes committed against King Piccolo, revenge will be mine! Die! Now you're just a pathetic pile of ashes. There's not even enough left of you for Shenron to piece back together. I've won! Goku is no more! A new age of terror and suffering begins now!
I swear on my life, I'll make you pay for that!
Oh, Goku deserved so much better than this.
There's no need to grieve for your fallen companion. You'll be joining him in the afterlife shortly. You're a monster!
Damn you! Huh?
Hey, what's wrong, Krillin?
Hey, Tien, I'm guessing you've got King Vision. Is that who I think?
Well, look who's coming back!
What?
It's him!
It's Goku! I warned you! You lose!
Hey, ref, is that enough? Did he land outside of the ring? Can you tell? Have I won the match? Oh, let's see. Junior is, well, he's out! Goku has won! Let's hear it for our new world champion! I did it!
You did it!
You did it! I knew it! Wow, you're really something else, Goku!
And the way you dodged that final blow by flying into the sky? You never cease to amaze, world champ!
I did it! I won it all!
Oh, are you okay? Is it bad?
I gotta admit, I felt better.
We gotta get you to a hospital!
No need for that. Have a Sinzu bean buffet instead.
Oh, it's you!
Yajirobe? What are you doing here?
Oh, I, just came to see the sights. Then this huge explosion came out of nowhere, so I had to duck and cover. But that's enough about me. Eat up, champ.
Thanks a lot. Yeah! I won! I'm the World Martial Arts Champion!
Well, I'll be.
Wait! No!
Step aside.
Kami, please tell me this is a big mistake. You're not doing what I think you're doing, are you?
The threat has not been vanquished. This world will never be safe, so long as he draws breath.
But if Piccolo dies, you'll go with him.
You are forgetting something, though. You can ask Shenron to bring me back again.
I didn't think you could ever lie, Kami.
What?
You created Shenron, and the Dragon Balls too, am I right? So if you leave this world, then it's safe to assume the Dragon Balls will disappear.
Well...
So, is what Goku said true?
Even beings like me are known to make mistakes from time to time. I created this monster before us. His power has surpassed my own, plunging the world into chaos. Earth deserves better. I am an unfit guardian of this world. To die like this would be just.
Rubbish. It was you who restored peace and hope to our troubled world. If you had never forged the Dragon Balls, Goku and the others would have never met or grown nearly as strong as they have. That journey began with a single ball. Now countless people owe their lives to these heroes.
Goku, you are fortunate to have had such an excellent teacher.
True. He's the best there is.
No, really. I just taught a few basic skills. He would have never reached such heights without you and Master Korin.
Huh?
The symbol of the turtle. Wear it with pride and never forget what it means.
Thank you. Yajirobe, can I please have another senzu bean?
Huh? You should still be full from that last one. Here you go.
Thanks. Here. Eat up.
No! No, you can't! Are you crazy?
doing? It's simple. If I destroy you, that also destroys Kami. Besides, without a rival to fight, I'd get pretty bored. Maybe you should stick around.
It doesn't change anything, fool. Mercy is a loathsome trait, and you will learn soon enough that I have no such weakness. When that glorious day arrives, the whole world will be mine!
When that day comes, I hope you're not too disappointed. I've beaten you once, and I'll do it again.
It's difficult to believe that little boy I found in the woods all those years ago is now a true champion.
Goku!
Huh?
You're alive! You're so brave and you won!
Whoa! What are you doing, Chichi?
Ah, love, it conquers all. The only thing Goku can't defeat.
Goku, you have proven worthy. Take my place as guardian. Reside in the lookout. And there, watch over this world.
Me? Are you serious? No way, not me. That's your job. I wouldn't put you out on the street like that. Plus, I'd die of boredom.
But you could do so much good, and you're the only one I can trust.
Flying Yep.
Wait!
Bye-bye now! See you later! Woohoo! Goku!
Well, aren't you going to go after him?
No, I could never force him.
It's true that he isn't the type to stay in one place for very long. Knowing him, he'll just keep getting stronger and show up when we least expect him.
Are you sure it was okay to turn down Kami like that?
There's not enough to do in that place. I'd rather go out and keep getting stronger. I've got to stay one step ahead of Piccolo.
So you plan to keep working hard even though you just won the world tournament? Sounds like I landed a good catch. If you're gonna do it, then do it right and show that Piccolo jerk who's boss.
Right. All right, off we go. Ready? Don't fall off now.
Yeah. Today is our first day as newlyweds, Goku.
I don't know anything about this newlywed business. What is it we're supposed to do?
First of all, I think we should find a new place to live.
Huh? What's wrong with this house?
It's too small for the two of us. Daddy gave me a house capsule as our wedding gift. All we need to do now is find the perfect place to put it. It's where we'll build our lives together, so it has to be special.
I'd be fine anywhere, so I'll leave it to you, Chichi.
Don't say things like that, Goku. This is the kind of thing we should decide together. A married couple discusses everything before making a final decision. At least that's what I've heard.
Whoa, seriously?
Yes, seriously. Now let's go shop around together.
This spot looks pretty good, huh?
I'd prefer somewhere quieter. The whole aura here is a little unsettling.
Really? If you say so. What about here?
It's certainly quiet enough and has an impressive view, but it's so inconvenient. We can't go anywhere without the flying Nimbus.
But it's... No, okay.
This is too much like a vacation home. This is our home, not somewhere to train.
Okay. How about this?
This is perfect! It's exactly what I was looking for!
Oh, yeah? Whew! Then it's settled.
Absolutely. Now let's get our house built.
Whoa! Chichi, watch out! Chichi, you okay?
Uh-huh. No injuries.
I missed.
She was just lucky.
That was dangerous! Why would you do something like that?
We were hired to come here and snuff you out.
We even got these awesome weapons. You seem to have a lot of enemies out there, Goku.
Wait, you know who I am?
Uh-huh.
I don't know what you did to deserve this, but it won't matter when I'm through with you.
Oh, damn it. He's just too strong. Too much to handle, even with our weapons.
I hope you learned your lesson. You better stop these evil ways.
Hey! You two all right? I received reports of an explosion in the area, so I got here as fast as I could.
We're fine. Goku just mopped the floor with those bad guys.
Oh, really? You've got some muscle then.
They were just a couple of bad apples.
But they had firearms. Those men are... Wait a minute.
What's wrong?
The whole lot of them are wanted criminals. I've gotta compensate you for capturing them.
Compensate? What's that?
It means he wants to pay you as a thanks for catching the bad guys.
These guys escaped from prison 3 years ago when King Piccolo tried to take over. They've been wreaking havoc all this time, so by capturing them, you've done us all a huge favor.
It was nothing, really.
But plenty of other scumbags escaped as well.
For real?
And word on the street is they've grown in number after reuniting with their comrades.
I can't believe lowlives of that caliber have the audacity to just rove the streets like that.
You seem highly competent to me. Think you could help us bring these scumbags to justice? You'll be rewarded each time you bring one in, so just talk to your nearest police officer whenever you've caught someone. Or you could just come straight to me. I'm usually patrolling in West City. Oh yeah, and if I happen upon discovery info for a criminal, I'll contact you with the details.
I'm not sure what all that means, but if bad guys like that are out there, you can count on me to bust their heads. They're a lot weaker than Piccolo, but this could still be good training.
Bringing villains to justice is all well and good, but just be careful out there.
There's nothing to worry about. I'd never lose to weaklings like that.
That's what I like to hear. Anyway, I'd better take these thugs in for processing.
Okay, Goku. I know this has been hectic, but let's get our new house set up already.
Wow, that's a pretty nice house.
And thanks to you, we were able to build it on prime real estate. But if things like that keep happening, we won't have any time to enjoy our lives as newlyweds. Those scoundrels said they were specifically after you, Goku.
They did, didn't they?
But who could have hired them? Any idea?
I don't know. Boy, am I hungry! My energy's overflowing!
Howdy! Bye-bye.
Hey! Hey there!
Just keep an eye out for dangerous characters, okay, Goku?
Time to fly! Ooh, this looks tasty! I found a good one!
Hello! Too bad. Too bad. Thanks for stopping by. Good day.
Yeah!
Go down, Rei!
Solar flare! Try this!
Bye-bye.
you